दोस्तों जितना मूवीज में हमारे गाने दिल के ऊपर बने हैं। आहा क्या क्या डायलॉग। उतना शायद किसी बॉडी ऑर्गन के ऊपर कभी बने ही नहीं। नीज के ऊपर, घुटनों के ऊपर भी थोड़ा बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस आ गया है। लीवर भी बेचारा आ जाता है, थोड़ा बहुत डायलॉग्स में बदनाम हो जाता है शराब के कारण। लेकिन अगर किसी चीज का कभी जिक्र हुआ ही नहीं मूवीज में, तो वो है हमारे लंग्स का। बेचारे लंग्स ने कभी अपनी वो इज्जत पाई नहीं जो लंग्स को मिलनी चाहिए थी। And because we are nowadays focusing on breath and pranayama, that means that every second of your breath is very, very important. So, जहाँ breath की बात आएगी, वहाँ पे lungs की बात तो आएगी है. Because the first recipient after the nose is lungs. और वहीं से सारा आपका lungs पहले आता है, फिर उसके बाद दिल पे आपका जो ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड है वो जाता है, and then it moves to the rest of the body. Lungs is very, very important. मैं आपको लंग्स अगर दिखाऊं, अगर आप ये पीछे दो रेड एंड ब्लैक देखें, पहले तो प्लीज फॉर गॉड सेक डोंट ये ऐसा कोई ग्रॉस नहीं है, हमारा अपना खुद का ही लंग है। लेकिन द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस इज दैट द ब्लैक वन इज द वन विच इज ऑफ स्मोकर्स लंग, एंड द रेड वन इज who has been whether he is doing pranayama or not, but just a non-smoker's lung. Now, if you carefully see, the smoker lungs is full of black. It's tar, and the normal lung is having a blood color to it. Thanks to this one lady called as Amanda, जो कि एक nurse है, and she is able to send this video of a real lung, I think. Uh, she's a nurse, and then she is showing this black one, which is 20 years old, who has been the person who has been constantly smoking for 20 years, and the other lung is the normal one. We can just take a look at the video first, and then we'll try to see. So now she is trying to pump air into the lung, which is having a tar. Because why is the tar over here? Because it's because of the smoking. The tar gets attached, the black color tar gets attached to the lungs. And that the same tar is being used to build your roads as well. So she is trying to explain that even if you try to pump in the air into this black lungs, it basically is not able to return back to the elasticity. It doesn't have much strength to come back. Whereas if she is trying to put air, pump in the air into the healthy lung, it is able to return back from where it started. And at the same time, this healthy lung has the capacity to inhale more and more oxygen. So this is what she's trying to explain to us, that how is smoking over the years can damage our lungs. इतना बुरी हालत हो जाती है that this article, which is presented by this lady, she's a nurse Amanda from North Carolina, इतना ज़्यादा इतना dangerous हो जाता है कि you are not able to recover back. You are simply now in a state where there is no point of return. But there is a hope in which they say. And the hope is that if you quit smoking, within few days, your lungs will start regenerating itself. It can come back to its original state in few months' time. But you need that willpower. आपको एक विल पावर चाहिए, एक संकल्प शक्ति चाहिए कि मुझको क्विट करना है. And why I want to quit is because for my own people, my own relatives, my own near and dear ones, उनके लिए क्विट करना है. क्योंकि the pleasure that we derive is only for our own self. But when later on the pain we feel, then it involves everybody. अगर हमारी वजह से किसी को, हमको पेन होती है किसी वजह से, उसके कारण सारे के सारे दुखी होते हैं। प्लेजर जो मिल रहा है वो तो सिर्फ खुद को ही मिल रहा है। इट इज ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, दिस कोविड टाइम इज लाइक ब्लेसिंग इन डिसगाइज, जहाँ पे एक अलार्मिंग बेल है। एंड it's I think looking at the COVID time, it is not easy for those people who are smoking कि एक अपने अंदर संकल्प शक्ति पैदा करें, where we are seeing so many people dying because of the lungs issues. अगर हम ये सोच के ही कि let me take this opportunity in the COVID time that I will quit smoking or whatever I'm smoking, even if I don't want to quit, I'll just make it so minimal. मैं उसको थोड़ा थोड़ा करके डिक्रीज करते करते आई विल ट्राई टू गेट रिड ऑफ इट, बट द बेस्ट इज टू जनरेट एक रेजोल्यूशन दैट आई विल नॉट स्मोक फॉर नेक्स्ट 6 months. मेक इट sure, because life is not guaranteed, right? We have seen life is not guaranteed. People, those who have not been smoking, they are also now falling into this coronavirus trap. So if the people who are not smoking and the lungs capacity is not to its maximum to fight the coronavirus, then imagine what will happen to those people who are smokers. Their lungs capacity will be even further reduced. It's a small awareness और एक alarming bell है. मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि after seeing this video and after seeing this कि क्या एक इतना black हो जाता है स्मोक करने के बाद और कितनी बुरी हालत होती है. I tell you honestly, the medical science is so much advanced that even with this kind of lungs, the medical science will let you live. वो आपको मरने नहीं देगी, लेकिन ये बीमारी आपको जीने भी नहीं देगी. So it's like between 50, एक पैर कब्र में और एक पैर दुनिया में. I think my request to all of you is that if you know people who are smoking, then please forward this AV to them. Maybe, I'm not sure, out of 100, maybe even if there is one person who gets a little bit of awareness within himself that no, I must change from today onwards for the sake of my own dear and near ones, probably even that 1% change is a very positive sign. So in the end, I'll just try to end up with a small story that there was this one Pandit, the priest. He was living in a village. He was a very religious person. And what happened is that suddenly the announcement was made that the flood is about to come in the village. So all the people, they gathered to leave the village. The rescue team came. And because the Panditji was very religious fellow, so they told him also to leave the village as soon as possible. Panditji, I think he had his own beliefs. He said, no, I don't want to leave it because the God will protect me. So I have a complete faith in the God. So he refused to leave and everybody else left. Then the water started flowing and Panditji, he climbed on his table. The water entered his house. Still, there were some generous people who came with the boat and they said, now come, hop onto the boat, we'll take you away. But Panditji, again, he was firm on his belief. वो अपने विश्वास पे था that God will save me. Then eventually what happened is that the water further entered and he had to climb onto the rooftop. पंडित जी जब छत पे चढ़ गए तो हेलीकॉप्टर रेस्क्यू टीम आ गया. उन्होंने उनको रोप दिया कि आ जाओ, this is the chance, you can save yourself. But he said, no, don't worry, I have full faith in the God. God will save me. And eventually what happened is that he died. Now when he reached to the God, he was very angry. So he questioned the God that why you did not save my life when I trust you so much. मैंने इतना भरोसा किया आपके ऊपर. You did not come to save me. The God said, I came to save you in 3 forms. मैंने लोगों को भेजा, आपको सलाह दिया. I sent you a boat and I sent a helicopter to rescue you, but you did not listen. I just want to tell you to everyone. In fact, honestly speaking, I showed this video and the picture to my son who is 13 years old because I do not know that in the future, what circumstances or what company he will keep that may influence him to get attracted towards the smoking. At least I wanted to make him aware कि इतना खतरनाक हो सकता है. My request, my prayer to all my brothers, sisters, my friends, that please think about it. Please do think about it, especially in the COVID time. This is a blessing in disguise. I tell you honestly, you may feel headache for a couple of days, but after that, the results will be too good. You will feel blessed throughout your life if you take this action right away. And there is nothing in the world that pranayama cannot solve. So go into the pranayama, start deep breathing one more time, realize that you are breathing in and breathing out. Whenever you realize this, please start doing it. You don't need to fix a time. Fixing time is the best one. I mean, like evening before going to the bed or morning time, that is there. But whenever you realize, start doing it. It will do a lot good to you. Please spread this message. I think you will be doing a noble cause. Like I said, that we do not expect that everybody will suddenly start changing. But even if there is a small percentage of the people who are able to change themselves, it will be really blessing for all of you to do this noble cause. Thank you so much. And till we meet again, please continue to do deep breathing. Make sure that your lungs capacity is getting increased every day, every minute. Thank you so much.